Hey guys, rescission is a legal remedy that allows a contract to be undone, restoring both parties to their original positions as if the contract had never existed. Unlike damages, which compensate a party for losses suffered under a contract, rescission aims to wipe the slate clean. In Singapore, rescission may be granted when a contract was entered into under certain circumstances, such as misrepresentation, mistake, undue influence, duress, or a fundamental breach of contract. If a court grants rescission, the contract is treated as void, and any benefits or obligations exchanged must be returned. This ensures that neither party unfairly benefits from a contract that was never valid to begin with. To better understand rescission, consider the scenario of a car purchase based on false information. A buyer, Alex, purchases a second-hand car from a dealer who assured him that the car had never been involved in an accident. Later, Alex discovers that the car had in fact been in a major accident and was poorly repaired. Since the dealer's misrepresentation induced Alex to enter into the contract for the sale and purchase of the car, he may seek rescission to undo the sale. That means return the car and get a refund. This example illustrates how fraudulent misrepresentation can give rise to the right of rescission. Another example involves a business owner who was unfairly pressured into signing a contract. Susan, who runs a small cafe, is forced by a supplier to sign an exclusive contract under the threat that her cafe will no longer receive essential supplies if she refuses. Because Susan signed the contract under duress, she can apply for rescission to void the agreement and regain her freedom to choose her suppliers. This highlights how the law protects individuals from unfair coercion in contractual dealings. A third example of rescission occurs in the case of a mutual mistake. John and Mary purchase a house, believing that the property includes a large garden. However, they later discover that the garden actually belongs to the neighboring property due to a surveying error. Since both parties entered the contract under a fundamental mistake regarding the land being sold, John and Mary may be entitled to rescission, which would cancel the transaction and restore them to their original positions. This example demonstrates how rescission can be applied when both parties are mistaken about a crucial fact in the contract. Rescission is an important remedy because it ensures fairness in contractual dealings. If a contract is formed under dishonest, coercive, or mistaken circumstances, rescission allows the affected party to escape an unfair agreement rather than merely seeking compensation. However, rescission is not always available. If the contract has already been performed, or if the party seeking rescission has delayed too long in asserting their rights, the court may refuse to grant the remedy. Additionally, certain contracts, such as those involving third-party rights, may not be easily rescinded. Understanding rescission is crucial because it provides individuals and businesses with an avenue to escape contracts that were entered into unfairly. It protects parties from being bound by agreements that were induced by fraud, mistake, or pressure. Rescission is a powerful remedy, but it must be exercised correctly and within the applicable legal framework to be effective. Thanks for joining me in this discussion. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.